This is a video on how to create and set up a new opportunity. So on the left hand side you will find a opportunities tag, or if you are in the minimized version down here you will see just a little sales tag. If you click on the opportunity, then go to new opportunity, it will pull up the opportunity screen. So the first thing that you should do is go in and choose your class ID. There is a quick guide explaining which of these to use, but most of the orders will choose PWRSS stages. This is for the main sales stages. So if you select that, you will notice that you'll get a budgetary and you will get your drop down of 10, 20, 80%, won, lost, and gone dark. The other thing you'll notice is up here you'll find a stage status. The stage status starts at new. This is for when you have a new opportunity where you may not know yet how much the opportunity is worth. So if you know what the opportunity is worth, go ahead and change it to open, and it will be an open opportunity. The next section that you need is a subject line. The subject line is something to help you remember what you are working on and help you communicate to other people. So one of the common ones would be something like a Dow sub 5, which is the system that you're quoting, and possibly battery change out 3cc07. Then the next thing you would choose would be your business account. The business account is your main account. So in this case, I'm going to choose Dow. So, and here I am going to choose Dow Chemical because that is where Freeport is located. And so it will pull up. That is the PWRSS that you are quoting. If you hit the hourglass, it will pull up a common people that are already in the system that you could be quoting. If the name is already in there, I can start typing something like Shaw, and it would pull up J.D. Shaw. If the person is not in there and you want to set them up, if you leave it blank, you can create a person on the fly and tie them to this business account by selecting that business account. So I'm going to choose J.D. Shaw in this case. The owner is the salesperson. Once again, if you click on the hourglass, you can choose who the salesperson is. It does not have to be the person that is creating it, but it most likely will be. In this case, I'm going to choose Jerry Estes. The next thing you can do, if you do know an estimate around how much this opportunity is worth, you can select the manual amount, and you can enter in that this is a $25,000 opportunity. If at a later date you come back and you add a quote, the quote will override your manual opportunity to what it actually is being quoted at. At this time, at any time, you can go ahead and hit the save button, but we do need you to go into the details section and choose a couple of other pieces of information. So first and foremost is the estimation. It is a required field. It defaults to the day you create the quote. If you go to here, this will be the date that you estimate it to close. So I'm going to come in and estimate that I'm going to close this by the end of November. This branch down here is a required field. This is the branch. It defaults from the branch that you start in up here, but this is the branch where you expect the work to be done from and managed from as a project manager. Since this is Dow in Houston, I'm going to leave it as Houston. The next thing is the location. Where is the work going to be done? This is where you communicate to the project managers and to the technicians and service managers where it's going to be done. So I'm going to choose the location of Dow Freeport. So once again, this is my main account, Dow Chemical. That's where we're billing, but we're actually physically doing the location at Dow Freeport. Then all I got to do is hit save. And now I have set up my opportunity and it's provided an opportunity number. So one of the things you'll notice now that I've saved it into an open section, that the one lost is now available. If you had left it in the new section, you would not have been able to win it from the new section until after you create the open and then save it. Then the one would appear.